With BrandBay, you have access to every brand asset you manage with one simple click. So no matter where you're working online, whether you're a digital agency creating a brand kit for a client, a business owner designing your next promotion, or a web designer looking to host all your clients' media from a single place, BrandBay can give you the organization and instant accessibility that your workflow is looking for. Now you can store, organize, and manage every logo, color, font, link, file, image, and video, and even host your brand media for every brand you're working with in one easily searchable and organized location. If you're a business owner or agency managing multiple brands, then you already know that managing, tracking down, sharing, and even hosting all your brand assets can be difficult, stressful, a pain to manage, and a hindrance to your workflow, especially when you're working with a team, or you have multiple teams and multiple clients. All that while managing up to 5, 20, 100, or even more brands. Now, of course, there are other digital asset management platforms out there, but many come with a big price tag and they limit you on the amount of brands that you can access at a time. And they don't let you have instant access, which makes you log out and back in for various accounts for each brand or client that you're managing. That's where BrandBay comes in. BrandBay is a multi-brand management platform that was designed to help business and agency owners like you so you can store, organize, edit, download, copy, and even host your assets instantly, all for a significantly lower price. BrandBay also allows you to create collections, which are basically folders of specific assets such as your general brand kit or your most recent promotions. Secure sensitive information between your team and clients by switching your assets to private, or upload your files publicly to leverage BrandBay's expansive storage system as a hosting service for your raw images, videos, and other files. And remember, it's all one click away. Simply open the browser extension right in the middle of your workflow, select your brand, search and find the asset you're looking for, copy, download, and keep working. It's that easy, not only for you, but for all your clients and team members that you invite into BrandBay as well. Each user, client, and team member will all have their own permission sets that you can customize so they can leverage exactly what they need to without interfering with your ideal structure. So if you're an agency, business owner, or anyone looking to bring order and speed to your asset management workflow, then begin leveraging the Instant Access Brand Management System today and create and host your first brand for free with BrandBay. In this video, we'll be learning how to upload, download, and manage each of the different asset types. So let's go through each one. In the logo section, you can add a new logo by clicking the Add New button next to the category that best describes the logo that you would like to add. Inside the pop-up, you'll be able to upload your logo image, give it a name, and choose if the image has a transparent background for BrandBay to properly format the placeholder. If the logo is transparent, you can select the display's background color to keep your collections looking clean and well formatted. Also, you can choose whether or not you would like to make the logo private or public. With either option you choose, there are several key benefits to either, depending on your desired workflow, which you can learn more about in our public versus private tutorial video. You can edit your logos by hovering over the thumbnail and selecting the Edit button. The Copy button copies a share page link with multiple highly useful sharing options available that you can send to virtually anyone online. The Down arrow button gives you the option to add or remove the logo to or from a collection, or you can also download the logo directly to your computer as well. If you'd like to delete your logo image, simply hover over the thumbnail and click the red X in the top right-hand corner. In the color section, you can add a color by clicking the Add New button. From here, enter a useful name for your color, and enter the color's hex code, RGB, or HSL values, and press Save Color. Next, you are able to quickly arrange the colors in a way that is most effective for your workflow, using the simple drag and drop organizational function. To access and use your organized colors from BrandBay, hover over your color to display your two copying options. You can either copy the hex code with the Copy button, or you can click the down arrow button, which opens a page with more available color codes for you to choose, including RGB, hex, HSL, or CMYK, for increased flexibility for different publication types. To delete a color, simply hover over the color thumbnail and click the red X in the top right-hand corner. In the font section, you can add a font by clicking the Add New button. From the pop-up, you have multiple input options to specify the font that you'd like to add. For this example, let's create a title. From here, you can select your font, choose the size, weight, and spacing. Back in the main font section, if you hover over a font, you'll be shown all the details of that font, such as text format, font type, size, weight, and letter spacing. You will also have 3 buttons. The Edit button brings you into the editor so you can make any changes that you'd like. From there, you can also add or remove the font from a collection and group. The Copy button copies the font name, and the Download button allows you to download a zip folder of the font to your computer. To delete a font, hover over the desired font and click the red X in the top right-hand corner. In the link section, you can add a new link by clicking the Add New button. Here you can name your link and attach the link URL and click Add Link. Simple as that. Once the link is added, you can hover over the link, which gives you 3 options. The Edit button allows you to edit the link name and URL. The Copy button copies the link to your clipboard. And the down arrow button gives you the option to either add or remove the link to or from a collection, and to go to the link site. To delete the link, hover over the image and click the red X in the top right-hand corner. In the Notes section, you can add both notes and code snippets. To add a new note, click the Add New button near the Notes section. From here, you can give the note a name and click Create a Note. Inside of the Note editor, you are given access to our advanced rich text editor, which allows you to add lists, checklists, code, tables, buttons, and more. When you're done editing your note, click the Save button near the top. This is also where you can choose to copy, download, or delete the note. You are also able to toggle between view and edit modes for your note. Back on the main Notes page, when you hover over a thumbnail, this gives you 4 options. The Edit button brings you into the Note editor, the Copy button copies the note to your clipboard, the down arrow button gives you an option to add or remove the note to or from a collection, and the red X in the top right corner lets you delete the note. To add a new code snippet, click the Add New button near the Snippet section. From here, you can give the snippet a name and click Create a Snippet. Once inside of the snippet editor, you can begin typing snips, codes, tags, etc. When you're done editing, click the Save button near the top. This is also where you can choose to copy, download, or delete the snippet. If you click the button in the top right corner, you'll be able to edit the programming language, text size, and the editor theme. Back on the main Notes page, when you hover over a snippet thumbnail, you're given 4 available options. The Edit button brings you into the snippet editor, the Copy button copies the snippet to your clipboard, the down arrow button gives you an option to add or remove the snippet to or from a collection, and the red X in the top right corner lets you delete the snippet. In the File section, you can add a new file by clicking the Add New button. Here you can name your file and choose what type of file you would like to add. You can either choose Upload or Google. The Upload type allows you to upload a file from your computer or storage device, which is great for storing your raw footage, zip files, Word documents, PDFs, and more. While the Google or Link type allows you to attach the file's URL link, which is great for Google Docs, slide sheets, or other link-hosted files. Once you have filled in the file information, you can click Upload File. After uploading your file, you can hover over the thumbnail, which gives you 3 options. The Edit button allows you to edit the file's name, type, and URL. You will also be able to view the file, and if it's a Google document, you can edit it directly from BrandBay. The Copy button allows you to copy the file to your computer, and lastly, the drop-down arrow gives you the options to add or remove the file to or from a collection, or you can download the file to your computer. If you'd like to delete the file, simply hover over the file thumbnail and click the red X in the top right-hand corner. To add a new image, click the Add New button next to the category that best describes the image that you would like to add. Inside the pop-up window, you'll be able to name your image and choose if your image background is transparent. If it is, then you can select what color you would like your image to appear over for easier and more professional viewing experience. You can also choose whether or not you would like to make the image private or public. For more information on the available options for asset privacy and sharing, watch our short public versus private tutorial video. Once you click the Upload Image button, you'll be able to find and select the image from your computer, and it will upload automatically. After you added the image, you can hover over the thumbnail, which will give you 3 options. The Edit button allows you to edit the image and change the background color if applicable. The Copy button copies a share page link with multiple highly useful sharing options available that you can send to virtually anyone online. And the down arrow button gives you the option to add or remove the image to or from a collection, or you can download the image directly to your computer. If you'd like to delete the image, simply hover over the image and click the red X in the top right-hand corner. To add a new video, click the Add New button next to the category that best describes the video that you would like to add. You can then title the video and choose what type of video you're adding. You can either upload the video from your computer or attach a video link using the link option. This option can be great for creating a library of screencast links and hosted MP4 videos, as well as YouTube and Vimeo videos. If you're uploading your video directly to BrandBay, you can choose whether it is hosted privately or publicly by selecting the respective toggles. And when ready, simply click the Upload button. You'll be prompted to choose your file, and BrandBay will begin the upload process in the background. As long as you stay in the app and do not refresh your page, the upload process will continue until the video is ready. After you have added the video, you can hover over the thumbnail, which gives you 3 options. The Edit button allows you to replace the video, edit its name, as well as upload or change its thumbnail. The Copy button copies a share page link with multiple highly useful sharing options available that you can send to virtually anyone online. The drop-down arrow button gives you the option to add or remove the video to or from a collection. You also have the option to download the video directly to your computer. If you'd like to delete the video, simply hover over the thumbnail and click the red X in the top right-hand corner. We hope that you see how managing your assets with BrandBay allows you and your team to easily organize and quickly access your digital assets and media across from all the brands that you manage.